Hello, my dear friends. Today, let's understand the scientific reason behind why do Indian women wear bangles. Normally, the wrist portion is constant activation on any human. Also, the pulse beat in this portion is mostly checked for all sorts of ailments. The bangles used by women are normally in the wrist part of one's hand, and its constant friction increases the blood circulation level. Furthermore, the electricity passing out through outer skin is again reverted to one's own body because of the ring-shaped bangles, which has no ends to pass the energy outside, but to send it back to the body. As per some beliefs, the wrist area is an acupuncture point, which helps with hormonal balance in a woman's body. It is also believed to be the reason why men wore bangles in earlier times. In India, even men wear bangles called kada, kadaga or kadiyam. During the baby shower, a mother is gifted with glass bangles. Soon after the 6th month, the baby's brain cells develop. The baby inside the womb gets used to the familiar sound of the mother's glass bangles. This creates an unbreakable bond between a child and the mother. Not to mention, the glass bangle makes specific vibrations soothing to the mother and her child. And the circular shape of bangles symbolizes unity, infinity, and the cycle of life. Hope you understood about why Indian women wear bangles. Thank you for watching the video.